Hello guys, welcome to StaadPro. I'm launching a new program which I called Oil and Gas Engineering Design. So my plan is, on this channel I'm going to be explaining some of the oil and gas projects that I've worked on. I will just pick one project and from beginning to end I will explain everything, all the foundation items designed, how they were designed, all the load applications applicable to that to various foundations. So these are what I'll be doing in this channel. So if you are having intention, you have a plan to work with oil and gas company, or you have a colleague or a coursemate who would like to assist with a material like this, you can just forward this video to the person and subscribe to this channel. Also click on the bell button so that each time I upload such videos you'll be one of the first persons that we consume it and gain the value. So I have already chosen a project called drilling location project, like what I'm showcasing on my screen now. This is the plot plan of that particular project, drilling location. So if you follow this course through, you're going to know what a drilling project is. You're going to know all the various foundations that is expected to be in drilling location. You're supposed to know how to design those foundations. I'm going to be showing us all these things. So we have a lot of foundations here, we have a lot of items here, we have a lot of things, a lot of documents are going to be generated. So all those documents are going to be treated in this particular channel. So this is the reason why I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I urge you to subscribe now so that you don't miss out in any of these actions. In my next class, because this one is just introduction, just for me to alert you of what is coming on board. So in our next class, I'm going to be explaining this plot plan. I will tell you how to arrange your plot plan if you have this kind of project or a similar project, what you need to look out for. So after that, I will also show you how to do site grading drawing, how to prepare your site using topographical survey information. So you have topographical drawing that will give you the spot heights of all the various points, and from there you can determine if the place is prone to flooding, and if there is need for you to raise the site. That will enable you to determine the design level of that particular site, and from there you develop some important sections and details. That's site grading drawing for you. So we are going to be explaining that in this channel as well. Then we now move into the design of some foundations. Here we have generator foundation, we have cellar slab and pit foundation, which is the major foundation in this particular location that we are going to be looking at. We also have internal road and there's access road. So these are the things we are going to explain in this everything about this project. We even go into the specifications. We have a concrete specification for earthwork, concrete and steel, structural nodes, site preparation specification, all those specifications, everything you need to know about. Even if you don't have any idea, you are just coming into designing at fresh, you're just a fresher in designing. This is an opportunity for you to grab, so you don't need to miss out. Subscribe to my channel, forward this video to anybody who think we gain from it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. And by God's grace I'll be posting once in 2 weeks, until I finish this particular project, and after this one I will move into another one. So just tell me how you feel, how excited are you about this particular project. Tell me in the comment section. Let me your comment will motivate me actually, and also give me a thumbs up if you think is a nice program that you would like to partake from. Just give me a thumbs up. Let YouTube also know that some persons are watching my content. Is also a way to promote my video so that it can be suggested to other engineers that are looking for resources like this. So I thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to the end, and stay tuned and stay glued. Like I said, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.